Hello, all of you. Today I am going to take Geography, Class 6th. I am Vinita ARYA ma'am of KVDL Lines Meerut. So let's start the first lesson of Class 6th Geography, the Earth in the Solar System. How wonderful it is watch the sky after sunset. You can notice bright dots shining in the sky at the night time. The whole sky is filled with tiny shiny objects. Some are bright, others are dim. It seems as if the sky is studded with diamonds. There are millions of the shining objects in the night sky like the sun, moon, stars, pole stars, asteroids, meteoroids, planet, etc. They are all called celestial bodies or heavenly bodies. Along with these bright objects, you also must have seen the moon as most of the days. It may, however, appear at different times, in different shapes, and at different position. We can see the full shape of the moon only twice, on full moon day or the new moon day. On the new moon day, it doesn't appear at sky. New moon night is also called Amavasya. On this day, you can watch the night sky best, provided it is a clear night. Do you wonder why can't we see the moon at all those bright, tiny objects during daytime? Because the bright light of the sun does not allow us to see these bright objects of the night sky. The sun, the moon, and all those objects shine in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Let me tell you, celestial body means a natural object which is located outside of Earth atmosphere like sun, moon as planets are known as celestial bodies. Sometimes these celestial bodies are very big and hot because they are made of gases. They have their own heat and light which they emit in large amount. These celestial bodies are called stars. You know, sun is also a star. Countless twinkling stars in the night sky are similar to the sun, but they do not feel their heat or light because they look tiny, but they are bigger than our sun. And they look tiny because they are very, very far away from us. See, you have also noticed that some patterns of stars at night in the sky. You must notice that all objects look smaller when we see from a distance. How small an aeroplane looks when it is flying at a great height. Because it is very far away from us, that is why it looks small. While watching the night sky, you may notice various patterns formed by different groups of stars. These are called constellations. Means stars, group of stars forms various patterns. These patterns are known as constellations, such as Ursa Major or Big Bear. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is the Small Bear or Saptarishi Mandal. It is a group of 7 stars. Look, this is the group of 7 stars is called Saptarishi or Ursa Major. And these two stars focusing The North Star. This North Star is also called Pole Star. In ancient times, people used to determine direction during the night with the help of stars. In desert area, people also use this pole star because it remains or indicate always north direction. The North Star indicate the north direction. It is also called the pole star. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. As I have already told you that some celestial bodies like sun, they have their own heat and light, but some of them don't have their heat and light, but they are lit by the light of the stars. Such bodies are called planets. The word planet comes from planetae, which means wanderers. The earth on which we live is a planet. It gets all its heat and light from the sun, which is our nearest star. If you look at the earth from great distance, say the moon, it will appear to be shining just as the moon. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. So first let me tell you what is satellite. Satellite means a natural object that moves round a bigger object in space. Like moon is a natural satellite of our earth because it rotates around our earth. Solar system. We all know the sun, 8 planets, satellites, and some other celestial body known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. We often call it a solar family with the sun as its head. This is the picture of solar system. Now we have 8 planets. This is Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. This is asteroid belt, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and last one is Neptune. Now Pluto is not comes in the category of planets because it is a dwarf planet. So let's talk about the sun. First let me tell you how this word sun comes from. Do you know? Sol in Roman mythology is the sun god. Solar means related to the sun. The family of the sun is therefore called the solar system. The sun is in the center of the solar system. It is huge ball of extreme hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. But this tremendous heat is not felt so much because it is far from us. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from our earth. Now let's talk about the word geography. This word geography origin from Greek word, 2 Greek letters. G means earth and graphia meaning writing. Now come to planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The easy way to memorize the names in sequence, we can learn this sentence. My very efficient mother just showed us 8 planets. M stands for Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and last one is Neptune. All the 8 planets of the solar system moves around the sun in a fixed path, and that path is elongated. The fixed path is also called path means where the planets moves. The path of planet is called orbit. So all the 9 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed path means fixed orbit. Mercury is nearest to the sun. It takes only 88 days to complete one round. So it takes about, sorry, Venus. Venus is considered as Earth's twin because its size and shapes are very much similar to that of the Earth. Do you know? Human always been fascinated gazing at the night sky. You must have seen the twinkling stars at night. But you know, those who study the celestial bodies and their movements are called astronomers. One of the famous ancient Indian astronomer was Aryabhat. Now let's talk about Earth. Our Earth. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. In size, it is fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the poles. That is why it is not circular in shape. Its shape is called geoid. Geoid means an earth-like shape. Now, Earth has favorable condition to support life because it is not too hot and not too cold. It has water and air, which are very essential for our survival. It has air, which works as life-supporting gases like oxygen. Because of all these reasons, the Earth is also known as the unique planet in the solar system because only Earth has this life supporting system, its hotness, its coolness, water, air, and all these things. And from the outer space, the Earth appears blue because its two-thirds surface is covered by water. That is why it appears blue from the sky. It is therefore called a blue planet. Do you know the interesting fact? Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the moon on 29 July 1969. And as we all know, that Captain Rakesh Sharma of our country, India, was the first man to step on the surface of the moon. Now let's talk about the moon. As earlier I have told you what is satellite. Once again, let us recall it. A natural object that moves around a bigger object in shape is called satellite. The Earth has only one satellite, that is Moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 of Earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than any other celestial body. It is about 3,84,400 km away from us. The Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days, exactly the same time to complete one spin like Earth. As a result, only one side of the Moon is visible to us on the Earth. The Moon does not have condition favorable for life, means it has neither water nor air. Now, asteroids. Asteroid means small planets. Apart from the stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny objects which moves around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Now, meteoroids. A small moving body in the solar system that would become a meteoroid if it entered the Earth's atmosphere. So, the small piece of rocks which moves around the sun are called meteoroids. During sometime these meteoroids come near the Earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometime a meteoroid, without being completely burned, fall on the Earth and creates a hollow. Do you see a whitish broad band at night in the sky? It is a cluster of millions of stars. This band is the Milky Way Galaxy. Our solar system is a part of this galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined the glowing whitish broad band in the sky as the river of light flowing in the sky. That is why they called it as Akash Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. These are millions of such galaxies that makes the universe. So, this we have completed our lesson. I will just tell you to please write all these terms which are highlighted like meteoroids, galaxy, universe, asteroids, and the moon as satellite, the planet Earth, about the sun, and please draw this solar system and draw this Saptarishi Mandal and North Star, which is also called Pole Star. Write about this celestial bodies and stars. So, thank you for watching me. Have a nice day.